Hello to you, my dear nail lovers. You are welcome back to Nail Vibes. This is the channel that's always giving you the best in nail fashion. So if you are seeing this channel for the first time, or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, I do urge you to subscribe to my channel, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so in this video today, I've selected the best and most elegant floral acrylic nail designs for you, my gorgeous queens. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. So watching this video, you see that these nails look so good and so unique. You can rock these nails to any occasion of your choice, okay, and it makes you stand out in the crowd. So watch and select your best light to make. And as you watch the video, kindly support my channel by hitting the like button. Okay, like the video and feel free to share the video to your friends and to your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. I also say a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging. Your effort in this channel is not taken for granted. A big thank you to you all. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to see other videos that I have in other nail designs. Okay, I have so many beautiful and very good nail designs in the channel. Thank you as you watch, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Boom.